Welcome to the cookbook section. And the first performance of the night for our Barnes & Noble book fair. It's a great night of literacy and shopping. And there's just a wonderful connection between music literacy and the reading your children do in their classrooms as well. So we have a lot of wonderful performances lined up for you, starting with a group of third graders that have been working on some songs in their music classes that they're going to share with you tonight. And I also want to remind everybody that you are here for a book fair, and when you make a purchase, as I'm sure many of you will, make sure you mention you are here for Colin Powell, and we will get some money to support the wonderful things going on in our building. So thank you for being here, and enjoy the songs. Whoever Reem just walked in. All right.
Yeah, one more. One more.
Oh, a participant. A reindeer, late reindeer.
Goodbye, man.
You made anything? You got anything? Can you kneel down in front, please, so other people can see? Thank you. Okay. You all want to see it? Thank you.
Okay, you're all right now?
Oh,
you okay now?
okay, watch out. One more coming in.
She needs to sing with that group. You can't get her out? Raise your hand up. You want her to slide somewhere?
She can't move.
I can tell her to move further that way.
Are you serious? In the middle of the concert, you gonna have a move?
No, not move, but like move her head. Wow. See what works.
Have fun.